my name is Cholo. I'll be the featured mixologist for Top Creamery for your cocktail demonstration today. So for today's session, we'll be featuring 3 different cocktails that we will specifically use the syrups and the purees by Top Creamery. All right. So who among you guys loves cocktails? Okay. There you go. So we'll be doing some today. We'll be doing some tasting right after. So let's start. So for the first drink, we will be doing, since Top Creamery is focusing a lot on coffee, we have our own version of espresso martini. All right. So for the drink, we'll be using Top Creamery banana syrup and cold brew coffee. So first thing to do, okay, so is get yourself a shaker, pour in 45 mils of plain vodka. So we specifically use plain vodka without any flavors or infusions for it to be more like a classic type of espresso martini, because we want to still highlight the flavor of the banana syrup that we use from Top Creamery. So for the banana, we need 15 mils of that, all right, into the shaker. And then we top it off with cold brew coffee. So for the coffee, we steep it for at least a minimum of 20 hours, all right? And then all we have to do is to shake the drink. Okay, using a 2-piece metal shaker, to shake. All right. Let's grab ourselves a Top Creamery cup and pour the entire thing with the ice on it. So as you can see, a lovely foam on top. Okay, strong coffee taste from the cold brew, a slight acidity, and the sweetness that comes out of the banana syrup. Okay, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. First drink of the day. This is called the wake up call. All right, so we'll be doing a tasting for you guys. Okay, for this drink, everyone will try. Our espresso martini using Top Creamery banana. So, a fact about Top Creamery, okay, this particular company is a proud local manufacturer of all these products, these lovely syrups, purees, ready to mix mixes for gelatos, for soft serve, but all the ingredients that we use or they use is coming internationally. All right, main office is in Las Piñas. Okay, so feel free to approach all of our sales staff that is around. And yeah, how's the drinks, everyone? Good. Off we go for the next cocktail. Okay, for the next drink is called Albarosa. So this particular drink is very unique because it uses rose as an infusion. All right, this is a gin-based cocktail that has, so far for the products of Top Creamery, we'll be using pink guava and rose for this particular cocktail. So let's start. First ingredient is 45 mils of London dry gin. In this case, we're using Tanqueray Dry. Okay, one of the nicest London dry gins out there. Followed by a good amount of 60 mils of pineapple juice. $10 ml of fresh lemon juice. And then followed by 10 ml of Top Creamery rose syrup. $10 ml of pink guava. So the thing about this drink is it has a very tropical approach. It has a very unique flavor that has both of citrus, tropical, and floral flavor profile. All right, so we need to shake this drink. Okay. We double strain it.
Good afternoon, everyone.
And lastly, we garnish it with a few pieces of dried rose buds.
Good afternoon, everyone. For your safety, please secure.
Alright, there you have it. Second drink for today. Using Top Creamery Guava and Rose Albarosa, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we will do the tasting for everyone. So please let them try it. So this particular drink again is called Albarosa. Comes with fresh pineapple juice, fresh lemon juice, London dry gin, Top Creamery Rose and pink guava syrup, ladies and gentlemen. Right after my demo, we will be giving out more free drinks for everyone. So please, you guys can stay if you want to. So for the final drink for today, we'll be doing a version of a very classic rum drink called a mojito. But in this case, we're going to be using Top Creamery mojito syrup and lemongrass. So it has a very Filipino touch on it. All right. So first thing to do is to get yourself a shaker. And we pour in 45 ml of Bacardi Carta Blanca or Bacardi Superior or any light rum will do. Alright? Followed by 30 ml of fresh lemon juice for the acidity. And the sugar will be Top Creamery Mojito syrup. So basically this syrup will mimic the taste of the classic mojito drink with lime, with rum, with mint, so but without the use of the without the use of the leaves. All right, followed by a lemongrass syrup, of course, still from Top Creamery. Okay, shake it. Fine strain it. And we top it off like every classic mojito. We top it off with a bit of club soda or soda water. Let's give it a good mix. Finish it off with a slice of fresh lime. So there you have it. Classic mojito using Top Creamery mojito and lemongrass syrup. Okay, let me do the tasting for everyone. So there you have it, the 3 featured drinks for cocktails using Top Creamery products. The Wake Up Call, Albarosa, and Rum and Tang area. Once again, thank you very much.